I am Dr. Aishwarya Radhakrishna, a consultant dermatologist from Bengaluru, and on behalf of IADVL and IADVL Karnataka, we have been conducting a week-long of skin health awareness programs to educate you, the public, the requirement to meet your qualified dermatologist or a qualified professional for your skincare needs. So today's topic would be aesthetic dermatology. What is aesthetic dermatology? Aesthetic dermatology is also known as cosmetology, and it has as big a boom as a social media, where a person wants to look a certain way, a certain complexion, a certain feature, or probably even a certain body type. Making use of the greed or the innocence and the vulnerability of the youngsters, there has been a lot of wrong marketing and unqualified professionals in this field, particularly wherein the patient ends up with a lot of grave complications, not just the minor complications, and they come to us in order to treat the complications rather than the indications. Aesthetic dermatology can vary from a lot of cosmetological procedures such as chemical peels. It could be light-based devices like lasers, injectables in the form of botulinum toxin, hyaluronic acid injections, or even platelet-rich plasma therapies. But how can they be harmful, or how can they actually cause a complication in a youngster or a patient, you would ask? If done wrong, a chemical peel is an organic acid in different concentrations and are used for different indications. So if you do not know the indication that you're using a peel for, or the concentration required for a certain indication, it can lead to complications such as burns, secondary infection, marks. It can even lead to sun sensitivity and damage of the skin in the form of pigmentation, or including a very bad disfiguring scars. With respect to injectables such as platelet-rich plasma, in case the sterility is not maintained or the depth of the injection is given wrong, there can also be a lot of complications such as sepsis or the local infections of the scalp or the skin and the skin withering off itself. When it comes to injectables in the form of anti-aging like botulinum toxin and hyaluronic acid fillers, who doesn't want to look younger, but not at the cost of your health, right? So with respect to the hyaluronic acid injections placed wrongly, there have been complications and cases which have been reported of a loss of skin, a loss of sight, or even necrosis of the skin on the nose, as well as the loss of nasal bone. With all this in mind, we the dermatologists want you, the public, to meet your qualified professionals for any healthcare needs, including the lasers or the light-based devices. Lasers or the light-based devices are like the two-edged sword. When used right, they give you wonderful results, but when used wrong, you would really regret your decision to get a laser done. There are a variant of lasers. It could be laser hair reduction, it could be even pigmentary lasers. When done wrong, they can lead to the loss of your normal pigment and depigmentation. Like this wasn't enough, new in the market has been the glutathione drips, or the skin brightening drips as it has been called. These are the drips or the injections which have been getting the fancy of the youngsters in order to look fairer because a certain celebrity looked so. But what actually happens, as it been approved, why don't all the dermatologists really approve of this injection particularly, is because the glutathione injections, when given wrong or when not given in a certain concentration, can lead to even kidney and liver failures and even nervous system complications. Hence, we avoid the glutathione injections or skin brightening injections. Overall, we, the dermatologists, have been trained to see your skin and also the physiology, the anatomy, as well as the pathology of your condition, and give you a treatment plan accordingly. But in case of unqualified professionals, they may not really know the pathology of your problem, or they may not really know how to treat a complication. That's the main reason why we are asking you, the public, to meet the aesthetic dermatologist or the dermatologist or qualified professional in the field of cosmetology, rather than getting lured by high promises and low prices and going into unethical clinics or unethical medical spas which do not have any qualified professionals around them. With this, I would like to say, stay safe, look good, but not at the cost of your health, but take care of your skin care and skin health through a trained professional. Thank you.